In this video, we will show you how to add product to Shopify on the phone. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the links given down in the description. First, open the Shopify app on your phone. Now, go to the Product tab at the bottom bar of the app. Next, tap the Add Product option here. You need to fill in the product title, description, price, and any other relevant details. Make sure to enter the correct details. Then enter the category from the menu list such as clothes. After that, upload high-quality images of your product from your device. You can download it from Google and then upload it. Following that, reach the variant option. If your product has a different sizes, color, or other variants, so add those details. Now save the details to apply changes. Lastly, scroll down to reach price and enter the price of your product. If you have any discount offer, then enter the compared price. Once you are done, tap Save to add the product to your store. After saving, head back to the Product tab and view the details. So that's how to add products to Shopify on a phone. Make sure to use the links given down in the descriptions to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.